Hey vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making some curry chicken. And here are my lovely ingredients that I'll be using. So this is 12 chicken thighs washed and cut into 3 pieces. And here I have 3 tablespoons green seasoning, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, it's actually 1 tablespoon all-purpose seasoning and 2 tablespoon curry powder. So the best curry that you can get, then you get that one. I'm using Better Pack curry powder because listen, that's the best one. So of course, go ahead and mix up everything. And guess what, Vibe Summit, it's always nice to use a little bit of all-purpose seasoning or chicken seasoning into your curry. It just lifts it up, right? So yeah, here it is, all done, thoroughly nicely seasoned. Okay, so here is some of the ingredients that I will be using to start off the cookation of the curry. So I'm adding a little bit of oil to the pot, and then I'm gonna go in with about I didn't use all that curry powder. I used about 1.5 tablespoons, and we're going to burn that. So just give it a stir. We're not doing this for long, right? We're only doing it for about 2 minutes. This helps to start the cooking process of the curry, right? Because you don't want a bad curry for your belly. No, you want to make sure you get this done right. So it's always good to burn the curry first. Also, if you want to go ahead and add some more oil, then you can add more. I don't like using a lot of oil. You guys know that by now. So yeah, go ahead and add more oil if you want. But yes, let's let this curry burn off, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add some other niceness. So I added about 6 cloves of garlic chopped up, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, and as you see, the thyme. So what I'm doing, I'm really just flavoring I don't want to say the oil because it's not much oil in the pot. And see all the ginger and everything just absorb it up. That is fine though, right? Because I do not like a pot of oily food. Can I tell you? I can't deal with too much oil. So here now I'm going to add the chicken. Yes, chicken, come through, dash out, dash all the way out. So we dash it in. And now we are going to sear, right? So turn up the fire now. Make sure it is on high. And we're just going to be mixing for a while. We want to get all the pieces just nicely touched with the flame, touch with the hem of the flame. But yeah, vibes fam. Just go ahead and stir. Ooh, look at deliciousness. Yes, chicken. Hi, chicken. How are you, chick? Ooh, you're not a chick anymore. You're Dintin now. But yeah, vibes, Sam, go ahead and stir that up. Listen, do not play with curry, do not play with curry. You want to make sure you cook it and you cook it right, or else, you know where you're gonna be if you don't cook it right. So yeah, go ahead and stir that up. And when it's all seared, when all the pieces get a little bit of heat touching them, then we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of water. Check it out, look for niceness. Okay, so now I'm just pouring some hot water in the bowl that I seasoned the chicken in. I'm going to add more water, but one thing that I want for you to know, Vibes, Sam, take your time and add water to the curry because we don't want no long water curry, right? We don't want a curry that is just full of water. So that is why in this recipe, I'm just adding water a little bit at a time because I want for you to be careful. So yeah, just be careful when you're adding water, all right? So no long water curry. You're going to ruin it if you do that. Take your time. So I'm going to cover this for 20 minutes. And after that, then I will add like some sweet pepper, onion, and all that good stuff. So 20 minutes. So 20 minutes, and then here are the rest of my ingredients that I will be using to finish the recipe. So I didn't want to use Scotch bonnet pepper, so I added chili flakes instead. So here I'm adding my water, a toops at a time, and then I shake it up, see that it needs some more, add a little bit again. So as you saw, I added sweet pepper, onion, what do you call it? Scallion. I didn't add any more time. And I added pimento powder because I didn't want to add the pimento seed. So here I'm adding what you call it? Irish potato. Oh my goodness. Irish potato and carrot. So this is one Irish potato I cut up. It's a big one. And it was one carrot. You don't have to add these. It is optional. But I like these in my curry chicken. And most Jamaicans do add Irish potato in the curry chicken. So it was Fresh Vibes fam. So I added some salt because I didn't add any salt. You notice I don't add any salt when I'm seasoning the meat because a lot of the seasoning have in salt. But because I only used 1 tablespoon of the all-purpose seasoning or chicken seasoning, it's not salt at all. And I also added black pepper and I added some more water, 15 minutes. So Vibes fam, this is it after 15 minutes and we are all done. We're going to give it a stir, give it a taste. By the way, what would you have on the on the fire bubbling right now to accompany this? When you say curry chicken, what do you think of? Do you think of white rice? Do you think of boiled dumpling? Do you think of yam and banana? Tell me, what are you thinking about? Look at the bubblation of it all. It is bubbling, bubbling, and it's nice and done. Stir it up. So you see, no long water, not too much water. Take your time and add your water, right? And Vibes fam, here we have it. Here we have this delicious pot of curry chicken, nicely done. Look at steam. Ooh, 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 ooh. And of course, I add it with some white rice. Not of course, because I love boiled dumpling too. But yes, white rice was the giddy. And you know, you put some fry plantain on the side. Woo! What? Oh my goodness. Yes, yes, yes. But Vibes Sam, of course, comment down below and tell me what would you have this with. Thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please go follow me on Instagram. Thank you. God bless you.